All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh. All right, man, we're gonna get right into the video, man. I know why you guys here, man. You guys want to see the ghost lights. I want to see them too. But before we get into that, man, I gotta shout out a sponsor to the video, man. Sponsor to the video, man. Meanteam.xyz. Meanteam.xyz, man. That's actually my website, man. I got a lot of dope products on there, man. I know you guys are gonna like it, man. Also, it's gonna be a giveaway, man. Anything you guys buy from the website, man, there'll be a link in the description down below. Anything you guys buy from the website, man. I don't know if I'm gonna do, man, like a once a month giveaway or like every 10 orders. I'm gonna give like an Amazon gift card away. You know, let me know. Comment down below. Hold on, let me get some light real quick. I'm gonna show you guys this. This is basically the key, right? This is the key that you guys all have, right? This is the key. This is the regular key, you know, nothing special about it, man. This is one is, you know, factory or whatever. But what I did is, man, I got in contact with the supplier, and what they do is, like, this is the regular key. This is the pack. This is the leather coat, man. This is the Mr. 300 leather coat of the key, man. What you do, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. All you gotta do is slip it in. All you gotta do is slip it in. And there you have it, man. This is all leather. It's all protected. You know, you can press the buttons on the side still, man. Everything is still functional, man, but you just got a protection. You know, the key is inside. It just protects your key from any, you know, if you drop it or whatever. And then it also, man, it also comes with some other stuff too, man, like some key rings and all that type stuff, man. But what I do is I just slip it right back on the keychain that I already have. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'll probably edit this up real quick. Actually, now that I think about it, man. Hold up. There you go. And there you have it, man. This is all on my key ring, man. I don't know if you guys can see it, man. But just go to the website in the link description down below, man. Meanteam.xyz, meanteam.xyz. That is my website, man. I sell all my products there, man. So if you guys want to get entered in for the giveaway, then I'm going to either have every 10 orders, 25 orders, or once a month. All you got to do is buy one of these, man. But let's go to the real thing, man. We got those ghost lights. And I'm gonna do a disclaimer, man. I've already installed these like 3 or 4 times, so I know how easy it is, man. But I'm gonna show you guys from the beginning real quick, just so you guys know, you know, that this is really a real legit situation and how dope this shit is, man. And these are also gonna be in the description down below, man. You also, you know, if you guys got a 300, you guys want a shout out on my Instagram page, man, comment down below. You know, anytime you guys buy something, just let me know, DM me, man, the results, the pictures, and I'll post you on my Instagram, man. I only got like 1,000 or 900 followers or whatever, but it's growing, man. And that's gonna give you shout outs, man. I get hundreds of views and likes and all that shit, man. But anyway, man, I'm gonna move my car so I can actually get to the bottom of the light real quick. And I'm gonna set it up, man. I'm gonna set it up and let you guys see exactly what's going on, man. But hold up. There's like a little clip that you gotta pull. I broke that. Oh no, I didn't. It's still there. I can still put it back. It's a little hot though, I ain't gonna lie. Let me just clip this out. This is the old piece. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Yo, as you guys can see, it's crazy easy. And look, this is what you get. This is what you get. My door's closed and bam. You guys can't really see it because my door can't open all the way. But let me do the other side. And the only thing I'm using is a knife. Just got a regular old standard knife. Just gotta flick it down. Probably shouldn't do it with the light on, but I'm fearless. This is the old one right here. This is the new one. You guys can see. And then you just gotta grab that little piece that you had before. And just snap it in play. And that's it. And there we have it. Let me go to a darker area. All right, man, here we go, man. This shit is dope. I ain't gonna lie, man. Every time I open the door now, man, it's like I can see it, and that shit is dope as hell. But watch this. I'm just opening my door, and watch what happens. You can't tell me that's not sick. I know it's not focused in. Hold on, let it focus, let it focus, let it focus. All right, there we go. That shit is dope, man. It's just with the door, too. It's just with the door. It's just with the door, man. That shit is dope, man. Let's go try the passenger side. Hold up. Yo, that's dope, man. Shit, dope, bro. Yo, man, look at the description down below, man. Meanteam.xyz, man. Like I said, man, support the channel, support your boy. That's me. Everything you get on that website, man, that's coming directly from me, man. You guys know what it is. If you guys rock with me, man, I definitely rock with you, man. Like I said, anything you buy from my website, meanteam.xyz, you'll automatically be entered in for any giveaways that I give away. I'm either going to do it every 10 or 15 orders, or I'm going to do it like once a month. It depends on, you know, what it is. If you guys like these lights, man, you guys start slanging them. Or if you like, hold on, let me show you guys a keychain real quick. Or if you like the leather coat, or if you guys like the leather coat for the keys, man, let me know, man. If you guys, you know, if you guys blow it out the water, man, I'm gonna give giveaways every day, man. I don't care, man. It's all about being fun, having fun, man, giving back to the homies. You know, I rock with y'all, man. I love you guys, man. Be sure to subscribe down below. Be sure to like the channel. But if you guys need anything, man, DM me, Mr300 on YouTube, on Instagram. Comment down below if you guys have any questions, man, or before you order, if you have any concerns or anything like that, man. But yeah, man, we getting it rocking, man. Like I said, man, rock with your boy, rock with me, and we're gonna get it going, man. Love you guys, man. Comment down below. This is the first mod. This is the very first mod you should do to your 300. If you guys got a 300, man, let me know. I'll definitely let you. That shit is dope, man. That shit is dope, man. And the cool thing is, man, it actually works on the other 300, man. Hold on, let me show you guys, man. You guys think I'm fucking playing. Hold up. You guys think I'm playing, man. Hold up. Definitely gonna do it on this one. This is my other one, man. This is my other 300. The only thing is the lights are in the front, but they're not in the back. You know, that's the only thing. These in the back don't have any lights, man. But that's my other 300, man. I'm definitely gonna do the lights on that one too. But on this one, man, for sure, man. Look at this. Let's just look it over here. Let me see. Let me go from this side. That shit is dope, man. That shit is dope. But anyway, man. Like I said, man, comment down below, man. Be sure to like the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, man. Anything about the 300s, man. Anything about money, man. We doing it. We getting it going, man. But anyway, man, love you guys, man. That's it.